Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new DIY video. We're gonna turn this old used bookshelf from Target into a beautiful cute pantry. So watch the video till the end to see how I did and added all the details to come out like this. So after I clean the bookshelf and take off all the shelves and the metal spoons pieces, so I have started with sanding all the surface with sandpaper manually. Then I applied this primer like 2 or 3 coats. It depends on your shelf. Mine is dark, so I have to cover all this black color. And after it's completely dry, I apply the color I choose for this pantry.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
So I forgot to mention at the beginning that I bought this bookshelf from Marketplace for only $10. So I didn't wanna pay much money on this project. That's why I went to the Home Depot and I picked the color I want, which I'm gonna put it in the description box, from their paint. And I asked them to make the same color shade from Glazing Premium Paint because it's cheaper. So I got the can, I think it's quarter gallon, and I got this quarter gallon for only $9. It's paint and primer as well. Well, this is a fun part. After I have done with the last finishing layer, which is waxing, I got this wood plank from Home Depot as well. It cost like $2 or $2 something, and I started to paint it with the same color of the pantry. Then after it's completely dry, I start to draw this vintage frame with acrylic paint and then type or draw the pantry word. So if you're not that good of drawing letters or you're gonna like mess it up, you can use some alphabetic stencils or letters stickers from dollar store.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Never game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move
And
on.
here is the final look of this panel. I'm gonna hang it on the top of the bookshelf to give me the final look of the pantry. And for the finishing details, I applied this peel and stick contact paper from dollar store to give this vintage and cute look that I want. So let me know in the comment below if you like this idea or not.